I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to get notifications on Mint Mobile, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Mint Mobile app. Launch the Mint Mobile app on your smartphone. This is where you will manage your account settings and notifications. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 3. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 4. Enable notifications. In the settings menu, find the notification section. Toggle the switch to enable notifications for account updates and promotions. Quick gotcha, make sure your device's general notifications are also turned on, otherwise, you might miss important alerts. Step 5. Save changes. After enabling notifications, be sure to save your changes. Look for a save button at the bottom of the settings page. Now you should be all set to receive notifications from Mint Mobile. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.